illegal fishing in Goan waters by fishing vessels from Karnataka and Gujarat is going on in full swing, and we are getting complaints from our traditional fishermen, also from the trawler owners, that they are coming within 1 kilometer सारखे 1 nautical miles. आता धरलेले आहा बागान आम्ही धरलेले आहा 2 बोटी फ्रॉम मालपे. हे जावचें ना म्हणून ही मीटिंग आपयल्ली आहा. मॅडम जेनिफर आमचो सिल्वे.
Because this is a problem
we are
in my village in Kakra. So it's been a long time problem, and they've been making various complaints to the minister who was there earlier. But now we've decided to have a meeting and put an end to this because we need to stay with our local fishermen.
Coastal police
येयल्ले आहा. पेट्रोलिंग ऑफ वेसल्स जे तांकां शॉर्ट आहा ते आमी सांगला कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाचेर दिता म्हणून. But we want action to be taken. We have also heard that they are carrying weapons. जे तोरसादी घेवन येतात ते पण मालपेचे म्हणून कितें ते बोटी. So we have told our policemen to go armed. And if anybody tries to take law in the hand, you can do what is as per law. कितें करपाक जाय ते action घे म्हणून. Patrolling of police vessels in north and south is very important to put an end to this illegal bull trawling. We have also discussed today on LED lights. We want all these things to fall in place. Our fishermen has to get justice, especially speed boati घेवन ते bull trawling करता. हे चलचें ना. गोवन वॉटर्सान आमी करूंक दिवचे ना. हे स्ट्रिक्ट वॉर्निंग आहा तांकां आयज. Our fishermen should not take law in their hand to stop this, but there is government of the day to do this work. So त्या खातीर we have told the director fisheries and to start working from today on this. Action 100% जावपाकूच जाय. ते हाडून तोडीक बांदपाक जाय, तेंचेर FIR फायल करपाक जाय, सगळे जे कितें आहा तितलें करपाक जाय.
So second thing that
see, I am very grateful to Honorable Minister, Captain of Ports, Revenue Minister also, and MLAs for showing their concern about the conflict between the mechanized fishing boat owner and the traditional. Today morning, first of all, Honorable Minister also taken efforts to confiscate or attach the vessel with the help of locals. And today morning, we also send our patrol vessel and attach many mechanized fishing. So today the message will go that this government will not tolerate this unregulated fishing activities. And it is my assurance to the honorable ministers and MLAs that we will work together to see that they should not take the sea or a river as their own property to violate the existing law. So the पासत आमचे आमदारांनी तांकां सांगलां. खुबशे फोन येता आमकां आतां सोड म्हूण बोट्यो दवरल्यात. But the law will take its own course. We have directed the police, coastal police. I have directed the fisheries director to go as per the our act, fishing act.
Fisheries ministry ने teams भी तैयार करते हैं for patrolling.
No, we have our patrol vessel. Only we have to coordinate with the coastal police because there can be law and order in the sea. That is our apprehension. We have the Sankati Bhashan, Minister Sankati Bhashan. They are equipped to defend.
But coastal police have always been saying that they have lack of facilities, so whatever equipments, infrastructure.
No, they have not discussed here, but they said they will cooperate. And Captain of Ports.
We are also going to give our boats. We will give our fast petrol vessel आमचेकडे. अनेक आता next weekend launch जाता ती आम्ही दिवंक जाता. To put this in place once and for all, and once the message goes very clear that you cannot fish in Goan waters illegally. Vessels from Gujarat, vessels from Karnataka cannot come and fish in our waters. This fish is meant for our traditional fishermen and also for trawler owners, not for anybody from outside.